Why does your scanner show the P0691 engine code? What does it mean? P0691 is a diagnostic trouble code for Fan 1 control circuit low. This engine code indicates a low voltage issue in the cooling fan 1 control circuit. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty cooling fan relay, defective cooling fan motor, wiring and connection issues, engine coolant temperature sensor, blown fuse. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped on various vehicles. Some examples where it's been reported include Saab, Buick, and Subaru models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.